So today you're gonna see me do Starburst slime. So let's get to it. So this is the Starburst. Can you see it? Okay. It says Starburst. It says Starburst. There it is. So we're gonna open it. Yeah. You open it carefully because you don't want a paper to go. So you're gonna open it just like that. It should be like that. So it's kind of weird, but I'm gonna just put it in my mouth, chew it, and then when you put it off of your mouth, it's gonna look like gum, but not like gum. So you're gonna do this. It looks cool. Okay, yeah, we're doing it, yay. Oh my, it's really glossy. My hand, look at my hand is really glossy. So it's starting to be really stretchy. I never knew that Starburst could turn into slime. So yeah, I saw some video on YouTube and then I saw Starburst. I said that easier way to do that instead of putting it. I didn't have all of the ingredients, so I said the easier way to do that, I think you should just take the Starburst, chew it, and put it off, and then play with it so it can be like stretchy and stuff. And then I said, first I need to show everybody how can those turn into slime by testing. So yeah, so right now I'm trying it and it really worked, which I'm so happy. I recommend you to do this if yours is starting to be sticky. I think it should get sticky because when it's gum and you put it in your mouth and then you're trying to make it be slime and then at the end it just gets sticky in your hand. I think, yeah, I think it gets sticky like gum. Just eat it. That's the only advice I can give you. So yeah, this is how we turn into slime. If you wanna do 5, 4, so much of them, your hand have to be clean. So my hand is clean. I just washed it. If you wanna eat it, your hand have to be clean. If yours is getting sticky. So mine is getting a little sticky, but I'm just gonna play with it. If you don't wanna eat it, just play with it. I don't wanna eat it. Already ate it when I was chewing it. So we got under God. Yeah. So this with it, and it's gonna be slime. Bye guys. Have a good day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And then when you're done, you can click another video and play with your slime. Bye.